the built environment is responsible for 39% of carbon emissions globally and 25% in the UK. Our responsibility to reduce the environmental impact of real estate is absolutely key.
The starting point for me is let's invest a little bit of capital now in understanding what the current performance of building is and put a plan in place to what you need to move towards that.
Now when we do cost plans for most of our clients, then we will apply both embodied and operational carbon along with those cost plans. And those cost plans mustn't be just CapEx, they must be whole life cost plans.
Just do some individual pilot projects and go for the funding where it's available, and just do one project and just apply for it and get the lessons learned from that, and really do think about that lessons learned sessions afterwards, not just like a sort of fancy consultative thing that people sort of do but don't really do anything with it. Genuinely look at those lessons from that, and then it gives you the confidence to kind of assess the rest of your portfolio and see where you can get those sort of faster wins and then the more longer term benefits.
The government is not going to fund the full decarbonisation challenge that we're facing as an industry, and we need to be better at pulling in more private sector funding. And we have a lot of funders who are very keen to badge themselves as ESG funds and are very keen to provide investment.
We can proactively go out and work out what skills and qualifications are needed and provide the training and the knowledge and the skills to try and meet those. But we really, really need to pressure central and local government to provide that consistent long-term policy, and the boom-bust sort of, policies that we've seen on Green Deal, Green Homes Grant, they have just killed the confidence, as only in the sector to really invest in this.
What we need is somewhere that we can go to find what are the current best available techniques, how can we apply for this money, what money's available, and also how can we deliver this within the timescales that are set within the funding agreements.
Turning that conversation from, yes, cost, yes, operational cost and life cycle cost, but also asset value has all got to be intrinsically brought together. And I think as an industry, it's incumbent upon us to support customers in doing that.
I think it's incumbent on us, it's our responsibility to educate our clients, our customers, and to show them what's possible. And most people would want to take out long-term cost and long-term carbon. So I think when you present it like that and actually demonstrate that we have the expertise, it's a no-brainer, it's a win-win.